Hey guys, welcome to Casual Unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing something really cool. And I have my brother to thank for this. So this is a digital tape measure. I've never heard of these things. I know, I must have been living under a rock. But my brother told me about this and he's got one of these. So I wanted to get one of these. It looks pretty cool. I haven't used his. He just showed it to me real quick when I was visiting. I got it on Amazon. I think it was like $29. Let's get this unboxed. And it's pretty hefty. I mean, it's not very light like a regular tape measure. Let's see the instructions. Midpoint. Oh, cool. Oh, so you can measure midpoint as well. Then you can re-zero it with this button right here. Select inside outside measurement and converts units, inches to centimeters. That's pretty cool. That's awesome, actually. Let's start with this side. And then okay, that's it. Let's try this. It's gonna be a simple trial, not too advanced because I don't know how to use this yet. So I took out the battery thing and let's see. So right now we have it to foot and inches. So as I pull it out, that's pretty awesome. That is sweet. I love this. So let's try it in centimeters. How do we... Oh, cool. Check this out. This thing is awesome. Okay, let's measure something. Let's see if it's accurate. I have a ruler here. And let's measure 30 centimeters out. So we'll start from here. 30.5. So it's off by half, but I'm not sure if I'm using it correctly. Oh, I'm not. Okay, let's try it this way. Yeah, so I guess it's pretty accurate. Does it start measuring right away? Yeah, it does. So you can change it to inches. Let's measure 12 inches. So, oh, okay. So it starts measuring at the actual at the yellow part, not at the metal part right here. So let's see. Let's do this. Let's measure 12 inches and press hold. And then it memorizes it. So I like it. And you can, oh yeah, and it's got this little lock on here too, so you can lock it manually. You're supposed to be able to lock it manually. Oh yeah, see, just like this. Pretty cool. I like it. I definitely like it. I actually love it. Best thing since sliced bread. I'm gonna play around more with it. Let me see, what kind of batteries does it take? Oh, so it comes with, it's like the little tiny battery. Okay. This is how you do it. You press this button up and you pull this out. I'll show you guys right now. So up and out. And that's it. So the batteries are the CR2032s, 3-volt battery. One of these little babies, which I have tons of these. Cool, that's perfect. Okay, that's it. This is the tape again, or the tape measure, electronic tape measure. Like this, and hopefully I don't break this within the first week. Okay, that's it. Let me know what you guys think of it. If you have one of these, let me know. I did see some like much more expensive models, but you know, for $28 you can't beat this. I think it's perfect. What I'm gonna be using it. I'm not a professional woodworker or anything, but I do tinker with stuff. So okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.